Yo, hello, welcome back guys, it's Ben and today is going to be a quick unboxing video. Sarah actually ordered me this last night and it's actually came today. It is a, my address is on the front, but it is a Asus Vz249 LCD monitor. It's 23.8 inch. I've got it basically to replace the one I am looking straight at where the camera is above. I've got it to replace that because I've had that monitor for like maybe about 18 months, maybe a bit more, I'm not quite sure. And before that my little brother actually had it for, I don't know, it must have been like ever since like the Stone Age kind of like thing. So I'm going to unbox this, set it all up and basically compare the two. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to actually swap this one for my PC monitor on my right hand side and use my PC monitor for when I'm actually playing games, because the millisecond response time is a bit better on that monitor than what it is on this one, but never mind, let's get right into it. I've got the dandy knife, check, straight from the steak drawer, so let's open this up. I'm no good at opening parcels, but it's open. I'm pretty sure it's open. Yep, it's definitely open now. So, yeah, we've got it in the box. Yeah. Did I tell you it's a 23.8 inch, basically 24. Got some polystyrene for the kids to destroy. And I guess I've got to pull it all out flat. So.
One eternity later.
So finally, after about 10 years, I managed to get out of the box. So here it is, polystyrene. Does it come with a stand? I think it does. Some more polystyrene. And that's the stand I just dropped on the floor. Well, let's crack the seal and let's see what the beauty is inside. So that's how big it will be. That's how big it will be. It is that thin. Not very thin, as you can see. It's about as thick as me. And it supports HDMI and VGA. But it's not going to be used as the PC monitor. It's going to be used as just a normal. So you guys can have a quick view of it. Oh, and my fat belly. This is what it actually looks like. There is my current monitor. It's a ring light and it basically looks like this. That's about it. Just a normal monitor. I'll try to plug it in to get it all set up properly and then I will cut back and I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. Welcome back guys, this is practically it. I will just turn the camera around now so you can all see. As you can see, there is my Logitech recording with the Logitech webcam, and there is the second monitor. It did put Sarah back about 130 quid, but other than that, it's all cush-debris. And yeah, so I hope you guys all enjoy this like quick unboxing slash putting together kind of like thing where you don't have to put it together. It's just one stand and then you just plug your HDMI in and then you're ready to go. But I hope you guys have all enjoyed. If you haven't enjoyed, please like the video, comment down below and suggestions for videos in the future. But until next time, it's been Ben. I hope you guys have all enjoyed and I'll see you later. Goodbye.